Gun battles, crime and police raids have become words that have come to define some neighbourhoods in the Lyari area of Karachi. Time after time, we hear of stray bullets killing civilians, operations being conducted, while gangsters continue extortion and theft. On Sunday, yet again, there was an escalation of violence in which 6 people were killed, while more than 60 people, including women and children, were injured. The police claimed that they had raided a warehouse which was being used by gangsters to store ammunition, and following their success, the gangs retaliated with heavy fire using M16s, AK-47s and rocket launchers.
आप पिछले 2 माह में देखें जितना पुलिस ने काम किया है और उन में जितने मुल्ज़मान को पकड़ा है और वो एरियाज़ जो पहले बिल्कुल मतलब एक्सपोज नहीं थे, जहाँ पे पुलिस नहीं जा सकती थी, जिस तरह जावेद लंगड़े का हाइड आउट या मतलब इससे पहले जो शकील ज़ख्मी हुआ उनका हाइड आउट, ये ऐसे हाइड आउट थे जहाँ पे पुलिस नहीं जाया करती थी। लेकिन अभी अल्लाह की मेहरबानी से उन ऑफिसर्स और जवान और टीपीओ, डीएसपी और एसएचओज़ की मेहनत की वजह से वो वहाँ पे अभी जा रहे हैं और फ्रीली पेट्रोल कर रहे हैं।
On the other hand, Ghaffar Zikri, who was a close aide to the deceased gangster Abdul Rahman Baloch, rubbishes this theory. In his opinion, drunken policemen entered the area and started misbehaving, and this is what prompted the escalation of the violence. Either way, it is the people of Lyari that suffer. Now, as with any conflict between 2 rival gangs or the police and a gang over here in Lyari, it is the innocent civilians that suffer the most. I'm currently inside a house that was hit by a rocket-propelled grenade, which came through this wall into the house, spreading shrapnel like this all over the place, injuring 5 of the family members over here. Despite being fed up of the violence in the area, the residents have become somewhat desensitized and can force a smile on their face while speaking about the situation.
बंदों को जिसको लगा है कोई ऐसा कन्वेंस नहीं था उनको हॉस्पिटल पहुंचाने का, जो भी होता है हम लोगों के लिए मुसीबत होता है। ना खाने पीने की कोई अशिया मिलती है और ज़्यादा तकलीफ हम लोगों को ही होती है, बाकी किसी को नहीं। उन्हों को इलाके सारे खुले होते हैं, पुलिस का इलाका पीछे उस तरफ भी सब खुले होते हैं।
The fresh armed clash between the law enforcers and the notorious gangs is the first such episode after the death of Abdul Rahman Baloch, who was killed in a disputed encounter in August, suggesting continued presence of heavily armed criminals in the city's oldest locality. Abid Hasan, Dawn News, Karachi.